Hey guys, John here, Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I want to talk a little bit about the warranty and the upgrade program that we have. This is a very common question that we get on the daily, and I wanted to kind of reiterate and talk about who we are and what we do with our warranty and upgrade program. So with the warranty program, it's very simple and straightforward. We provide a lifetime warranty on our product. So that means that we guarantee for the lifetime of our product to work and be successful, and we will also be there to support you. So rest assured, when you buy one of our machines, we will cover that for the lifetime of the product. Now, there are some things which we have listed on the website that are not covered under the warranty, which are your general wear and tear items, such as your nozzles, your floor, your window, your gloves. There's just a couple more things that are not covered under the lifetime warranty, just because they are wear and tear items and they will break down. So with that, let's move into the upgrade program. So the way this works is it allows you the opportunity to buy a smaller, less inexpensive cabinet that we build, which we have a range of products starting at $1,000, going up as high as you want into automation into the hundreds of thousands. And you can basically start and work your way up. So if you've ever purchased a tool or anything in your life, let's say tools, right? Anything that you wanted maybe the bigger, baddest version of, but you couldn't afford it at that time, that's why we do the TradeUp program. So we allow you to roll 100% of the money that you've paid into that new product. And it can't be a lateral move, so you can't move from the same model to the same model just to get a new cabinet. The way it works is you go from, let's say, a micro, which we see a lot of people start in a micro home for $1,000, and they roll into, let's say, an 800 FL or a 1000. And it's a great opportunity for a couple reasons. Number one, it allows you to test the waters and see if this is going to be a process that fits for you, so you don't have to invest a lot of money up front. And then secondly, it allows you to grow. So if your business grows and you want to go to a bigger, badder product that we build, you just send it back in and we roll that money into the next product, so you don't lose any money. There's no other product out there, no other company out there in the world that I know of that does this. And it's one of the reasons I wanted to do is because I have purchased stuff in the past where I wanted the bigger, badder version, but I couldn't afford it. And so I had to settle with something smaller and eventually something that I was going to grow out of. And so you have this smaller, less expensive tool, but it just sits in the toolbox or just sits in the corner and you can't use it anymore. So that's why we do what we do, and we do that hoping that it's going to help you out as the customer. But if you guys have questions about the warranty program, the lifetime warranty, and the trade-up option that we have here for you, just call the sales team, and they're always here and happy to help you and get you anything you need. As always, thanks for watching.